Hello guys, in this video we will see DDL commands in PostgreSQL. See, DDL is nothing but data defined language. See, it contains create, alter, truncate and drop. So we will see each command definition, syntax and example. See, first one is create. It is used to create database and its objects like tables, views, stored procedures, indexes, functions, etc. It is also used to create users or roles. Syntax is like create, then we have to provide the type of the object, like is it database, user or table or view or anything. Okay, then we have to give the name and see here the examples. I will show you the examples in detail after these definitions. Okay, next, alter. Alter is used to modify the objects that we have created by using create command. Okay, see, this is the syntax and these are the examples. Like alter database, if you want to change the database name or owner name, you have to use this alter command. Or if you want to add or modify the column definition of a table, we have to use the alter table. Okay, so these are the few examples. Suppose if you want to add extra column to a table, you have to use this add column, then column name and data type. Okay, so next, third is truncate. Truncate is used to empty table but not completely dropping the table. Okay, but table will be there, but it only clears or the empties the table or set of the tables. Syntax is, this is the syntax, truncate table and table name. This is the example. Okay, next, drop. Drop is used to remove database or its objects. Also it is used to drop user or roles from PostgreSQL server. Syntax is drop database and database name. Then examples. Okay, drop table or table name. Okay, so these four are the DDL commands. So we will see the examples one by one. I have installed PostgreSQL on my machine. If you want to install PostgreSQL on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay, connect to PostgreSQL from pgadmin. But the commands are same in Linux terminal or Windows PSQL shell. Okay, see, this is my pgadmin for. If you haven't installed pgadmin on your machine, go to the link provided in the video description and install it. See, I have two versions of the PostgreSQL servers. So the commands that I am going to show you work on all PostgreSQL versions. Okay, so expand databases, right click on anyone, select query tool. So first DDL command is create. So right click, create database. This is also part of the DDL operation only. But right click on any database, select query tool. Here create, first I'm going to create database. Create database. Then we have to provide the name for the database. Company. This is the name of the database. With owner. See, this statement will create, but I'm going to show you the options. Let me see the list of the logins. So owner I'm giving David. After completion of every SQL statement, you have to put the semicolon at the end of the statement. Okay, select it, click on execute. See, it is success. Let me verify. Right click on databases. See, new database, company is created. The same way, if you want to create objects in this database, so you have to right click on that particular database, then select query tool. In PSQL, you have to use /c. I will show you that in PSQL also. /c, then provide the company name, company database. Here it won't work. See, you got the error. But if you go to PSQL, /c company. See, now database name has been changed. I'm going to create a table in this database. So create is the DDL statement, then type of the object, that is table, student. See, if you don't switch, then the object will be created in this Postgres user. Here also, if you create the table, it will create in this DVD rental, because we have right click and open the query table. That's why it is going to create there. Okay, so student S number int primary key. Primary key is nothing but it won't allow null or duplicate values. S name varchar 100. Close this. See, table is created. Let me verify. See, not this one. It is DT. See, new table is created and owner is Postgres. But here owner for this database is, right click on it, properties. See, owner is David. Okay. So, like this we can create database or database objects. Also, we can use create to create the users or logins. So, command is create user sales admin with password. Put the password in single quotes. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. Select it, execute. You can also copy this command, run here also. Both are fine and hit enter. See, role is created. But if you run again, it will throw error because we have already created. See, role already exists. Okay. So, command is correct. We have seen examples of the DDL command, that is create in PostgreSQL. Then we are going to see alter command. Alter command is used to modify or change the definition of PostgreSQL objects. See, I have created database and given the owner name as David. So, if I want to change it, so alter database. Here we must specify the type of the object. See, here it is database and company. Hit enter. Owner to James. Let me verify, or you simply give sales admin. Copy this one, paste here, put semicolon at the end. Select it, execute it. See, it is changed. Even if you verify /L, see, owner has been changed to sales admin. Okay, let me expand tables. Expand schema, go to tables, columns. See, we have two columns. Suppose if after creation of the table, if I want to add one more column, then give alter, then table names. Table name is student, then provide the column. Add column, I want to give class, that is int, put semicolon. See, we are altering the table, which means we are modifying the structure. We have two columns. Now I want to add one more column. So, select it and execute it. See, we have received error because we are in the DVD rental database. So, right click on the company, query tool, copy this one, go to here, paste here, select it, execute it. See, alter table is success. See the output, nothing is there. Okay. Now, if you right click, refresh, see, new column, that is class is added. Okay. Also, if you want to modify the column data type, that also we can do by using alter table. Okay. Then we will see alter the username. Okay. By using alter statement. Alter user. You can run this alter user in any database. Okay. So, here user is there. Alter user sales admin. I want to rename it to sales user. Okay. Rename to sales user. Select it and execute. It is success. If you refresh, you go to logins, refresh, see, user is sales user. See, both are different. The previous one is sales underscore user, the current one is sales user. Even if you go to here, verify database owner name /L. See, before database owner name was sales admin. Now we have renamed, but the username is same because it is based on the internal structure. Nothing has been changed. Only the name is changed, but the user is same. If you want to drop a column from the table, then go to that particular database, alter table student, then drop column class. This will drop this column which we have created. Let me go to the database. See, we have class selected. It is typo. select the again, execute. See, it is dropped. Even you can verify simply by going to select star from student, select it, execute it. See, only 2 columns are there. Even if you refresh, right click, refresh, see, we have the 2 columns, student number and student name. So we have successfully dropped that particular column. So we have seen the DDL command alter. The next one is truncate. Truncate is used to empty the table values. Let me show you. I'm going to insert some rows into this student table. Insert into. Let me insert these 3 rows. Let me verify. See, we have the data. First, I will tell you the difference between truncate and delete. Delete is used to delete the rows based on the condition. If you don't provide, it will delete all the rows. But truncate, there is no option to provide the where condition. Okay, truncate student, select it, execute it. See, it is truncated. Let me verify whether data is there or not. See, table structure is there, but entire data can't. If you want to delete multiple tables, you have to give the tables like comma and tables. Okay. See, truncate or delete is used to delete the data from the objects, but drop is used to delete entire object with table definition. Like we won't be able to see these columns also. Let me drop table. We must give the table or database. Otherwise, it will throw error. Okay, table name is student. Select it, execute it. If you run this one, you won't be able to find. But truncate, we will be. Even if you right click, refresh, see, there is no table. Even truncate drop is also used to drop the users. Drop user. User name is sales. No, sales user. Copy this one. Paste here. But if this user is owner of any object, you won't be able to, because our sales user is owner of company database. So if you run it, see, you won't be able to drop, because owner of database company role is, this is the, okay. So username is correct, but see, if I want to drop user sales, so to drop such user, we have to assign of this user to the other user. So I'm going to assign. So command is reassign owned by this sales. Copy the username without spelling mistake to existing user, that is this sales underscore user. Select it, execute it. It is success. Reassign owner, which means we have assigned the ownership of the objects which is having this one to this user. Let me verify. See, before the company owner is sales user. Okay. So again run /l /l. See, owner name has been changed. Okay. Now we can drop the user without issue. Select it, drop it. See, the role has been gone or the user has been dropped. Even refresh. See, we don't have that sales user. If you want to see the examples, go to PostgreSQL.org. Here in search for like alter table. See, click on the alter table. See, this is the synopsis or syntax. We have the number of options. If you scroll down at the bottom, see, we have the different examples. Okay, so you can go through each of them and you can practice. In the same way, if you want to alter user, just give alter user, hit enter. Click on the first one. See, this is the synopsis or syntax. See, it changes the database role. Okay. See, here they haven't provided examples. Try with the other one. Try this alter role. Alter role or alter user is same. Only you have to replace this one. See, you can also change the password. I haven't shown that. See, we have these few examples. Okay. So in this video we have seen DDL commands, create, alter, truncate and drop commands with the examples in PostgreSQL. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.